Hey, this is Dr. Mike Wu-Ming. I want to give you 5 reasons why you need to be at BootcampMD. So number 1, you're a physician and feel you're not giving enough value. If you're like me, when I was working for insurance-based medicine, I was just kind of going through the motions. I was writing prescriptions. I was seeing patients, but I wasn't getting any satisfaction. By becoming a physician entrepreneur, I was able to harness that creativity that I was missing and then focusing on creating projects and businesses that I was personally interested in. I want to give you one example. I wrote a diabetic book, 10, 15 years ago, just basically sharing simple strategies about how to eat better, nutrition, what you need to know as a diabetic. That ebook kind of went viral and I sold it around the world, and getting emails from a doctor or a nurse in like sub-Saharan Africa sending me, thanks for the information. We're not getting a lot of information here locally, and just some of the tips and strategies you gave really made a big difference.
2.
Number 2, you want to be around other like-minded doctors who are also entrepreneurs. Being a physician as well as an entrepreneur can be very lonely. Take physician and entrepreneur, that's a very small segment of the total number of healthcare professionals that are out there. By going to an event just like BootcampMD, you're going to be able to connect with others, perhaps share ideas, information that you can really take with you and take home with you, and then can kind of continue that relationship moving forward. I've seen some of my students collaborate and then take and produce ideas that become, real world businesses.
3 is a magic number.
Number 3, I'm going to have some awesome teachers out there, many of whom make 6 or 7 figures online. Some of them are doctors, some of them are not. They're going to be showing you their strategies, how they got started, that you can take, hopefully model, implement, and then take with you that you can bring home, and that you too can have a profitable online business.
4.
Number 4, it's in San Diego. It's in January.
Fact of the matter is this: on the 5 time, Mambo number 5.
Number 5, I'm going to be sharing with you some strategies that I use to help propel me from someone who was a family doctor, just kind of working 50 to 60 hours a week, and I started my business online, showing you how I got started with that, and now take that to create multiple businesses. Not only businesses, but also healthcare clinics and such, as well as being a consultant where I help other doctors and other healthcare professionals do that. I'll also be launching a business that I hope is going to be a 6 or 7 figure business coming up in January. You're going to see what strategies I used, how I found that market, strategies I used, and then take those ideas and then implement that and share it with others and influence others to help build a very successful business. I'll be sharing with that exclusively at BootcampMD. So I hope I convinced you the 5 reasons why you need to be here at BootcampMD. It's coming up in January, and right now, if you get started, you're going to get a super crazy discount. So go ahead on the link below. I look forward to seeing you, and we look forward to sharing you my story at BootcampMD.